This is how to set up and use the Airtable Downloader. A simple desktop app that downloads your entire Airtable base with all the images and prompts. First, open a terminal and navigate to the Airtable Downloader folder on your desktop. Type npm start to launch the app. It runs as a desktop application using Electron. Here it is. The Airtable Downloader. You need 4 things. Your personal access token, the base you want to download, the table within that base, and a folder to save everything to. To get your access token, head to airtable.com and go to the Builder Hub. Under Developers, click Personal Access Tokens. You can see all your existing tokens here. Click into a token to check its permissions. It needs data records read access at minimum. Scroll down to see which bases the token can access. You can add more bases to the token. Scroll through your workspace and select the ones you need. Click Save Changes when done. Back in the app, paste your token and click Connect. The log shows it connecting to Airtable and finding your bases. The base drop-down loads all your Airtable bases. You can see everything from your workspace here. Scroll through and pick the one you want to download. Select your table, then choose a view if you want to filter the records. Click the Download Location field to pick where to save the files. Choose your download folder. This is where all the records, images, and prompt text files will be saved. Hit Download Table. The app fetches all the records first, saves the data as JSON and CSV, then creates individual folders for each record with a prompt text file inside. Now it starts downloading the attachments. You can see the progress bar moving as it pulls each image from Airtable. The download runs through all 153 attachments. Each image gets saved into its matching record folder alongside the prompt text file. Everything organized and ready to use.